Yeah. Man, there has been constant thunder, dude. Like, this has been a strange thunder. Don't know how to explain it. Never heard it before. There it goes. I mean, this thunder's been going in the background, just like moving around, dude. Like it's some giant laser beam or something, dude. I mean, and just when this stuff happens, my camera starts going dead. It's like, dude, what the heck? What's the odds of that? There it goes. See, it just moved right over our head. Wow, dude. The temperature has dropped like 20 degrees. A lot of rain just fell. It's slowing down now, but look, this. Listen, my aunt was telling me, she said, during the day, they heard the same noise, this loud noise, this rolling noise in the sky, and it wasn't during a storm, and I guess that was yesterday, so, it's strange. What the hell is going on with this? What's really going on? I mean, it's a great time to become a sky watcher, man, because there's always stuff happening. There was a blue moon the other night. There's chemtrails all this time. I seen a dang meteorite or something in the sky, fireball. See a bunch of stuff, man, all the time, dude, if you just watch them. I can still hear the noise, man. It is the strangest sounding noise. Well, what I'll say is, what I'll call that noise, what it sounds like, there it goes. It's constant thunder, man. Sounds like an earthquake in the sky. There it goes. It's just so crazy. You can hear it moving around. So it's been about 20 minutes, and the thunder has went constantly. It sounds like sometimes it sounds like a low roar, sometimes it sounds like a deep roar, but it's been constant. There's a lot of rain, the temperature's very cool, man. The air is just really strange too. And here's another thing. Someone checked the weather and it says it's clear and 75 right now in Flint. So what the hell is this? Hopefully it's not a judgment. Wow. It's crazy. If I see anything else, man, I'll hit back. I'm gonna shut off this video now.